Hello, this is long division part 4 and the last part for this topic. Again, the steps to do long division remain: divide, then multiply, then subtract, and bring down. After bringing down, you repeat the same process where necessary. Now, to remember these steps easily, you can use dirty monkeys smell bad. Dirty monkey. Dirty for D, monkeys for M, smell for S, bad for bring down. Now, or you use dad, mom, sister, and brother. Now, having said that, let's look at this problem and see how we can solve it using long division. This is the first time we are using a two-digit number as our divisor. So, and to really appreciate what is going on here, I will encourage that you watch part 1, 2, and 3 of this topic, long division. So let's get right into it. So here we have this number to be divided by 15. So 15 into 4, of course it cannot. 15 into 43, how many times? How many 15s can you pull out of 43? Of course it's 2 times. 15 times 2 is 30. 15 times 3 is 45. But 45 is bigger than 43. So this will not use this. So we use this, the 1 before it. So 30 is the closest number to 43 and not bigger than 43. So we're going to use 2. So 2 here, we have divided. So the next step is multiply. You multiply with these 2. 2 times 15 is 30, as we have seen here. So the next step is subtract. It will give you 3, it will give you 1. When you subtract, you get 13. After subtraction, you bring down the number, the digits, the next digits. So these 2 will come down here. So we have 132. Now you repeat the same process. So you divide this by 15. How many 15s can you pull out of 132? We know that 115 times 6 will give us 90, times 7 will give us 105, times 8 will give us 120. Yeah. And times 9 will give us 135. And 135 is bigger than 132. So this one, we will not use this. We will use the one next to it. So 8. You can get 8 15s out of 132. So we're going to use this. 8. 8, we have divided. The next is multiply. 8 times 15 will give you 120. Next, you subtract. When you subtract, you get 2. This will give you 1. Bring down. Is there a number to bring down? There's no number to bring down. So this is your answer. The answer is 28, remainder 12. But for higher classes, in some cases, in some exams and tests, the answers are in decimal form, not the way it is here. For lower classes, this is okay. But in higher classes, from primary 4 upward, in some tests or exams, the answer are in decimal. So that means you will not stop here. To continue, what do you do? 15 into 12 is not, of course, not possible. What you do is you put dot here and then write 0 here. You put 0 here. After this dot, 15 to 12, you cannot. What to do? Put dot and put 0 here. 15 to 120. 120, of course, it's 8 times 8. 8 times 15 is 120. The next, you subtract. When you subtract, you get 0. So you have come to the end of this problem. So the answer is 28.8 in decimal form. Anywhere this answer will go. So here we have another problem here. We're going to solve 2 of them. Let's start with this one. Write your symbol. This will be here, and the numerator will be here. This is also a new number, more advanced than the previous problems. So let's get into it. 5 into 2, how many times? How many 5s can you pull out of 2? Of course, it's not possible because 5 is bigger than 2. What you do is you put 0 here, dot, 0 dot. The moment you do that, you put 0 here. So 5 into 20, how many times? 4 times. 5 times 4 is 20. So 4. 4 times 5 is 20. The next step is subtract. If you subtract, it will give you 0. So that is the answer for this problem, 0.4. So let's go ahead and solve this one. The numerator will be inside here. The top number will be inside. The bottom number will be outside. So let's go ahead and solve it. 4 into 1. How many 4 are in 1? Of course, it's not possible. What you do is 0 points, dot. The moment you do that, you put 0 here. So 4 into 10. How many 4s are in 10? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 4s are in 10? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So we have those 2 4s in 10. So write your 2 here. Next step, you have divided, you multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. If you subtract, you will get 2. 4 into 2, you cannot. You put 0. Don't put dot here again. You only put dot here just once. So 4 into 2, you cannot. Put 0 here. 4 into 20 is 5 times. 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. When you subtract this, you will get 0. So that's just it. Step by step, you will get your answer clean. So we have come to the end of this topic. If you have found it helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Also help to share this channel to loved ones so that it will also help them. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, take good care of yourself.